light, it's cheap, and it's everywhere. In our lunch boxes, our pens, our toys, and even the synthetic fibers in our favorite t-shirts. When plastic was first invented, people thought it was a miracle. It did not break like glass, and it was cheaper than the wood. But today, in 2026, that miracle has turned into our planet's biggest headache. Did you know that every single piece of plastic ever made since the day your grandparents were born is still on this earth somewhere? It has not disappeared. It's just sitting there. Okay. So, why is this a big deal? Why can't we just keep making more? Well, here is the scary part. Plastic does not biodegrade like an apple core or a piece of paper. Instead, it breaks down into tiny pieces called microplastics. These pieces are so small that you can't even see them. But they are in your soil, in the water we drink, and even in the fish that swim in the ocean. Scientists have found that the average person might be eating a credit card's worth of every single week without knowing it. Imagine munching on a credit card for dinner. The recycling myth. Now, some of you might be thinking it's okay. I put my soda bottle in the blue bin. I am a recycling hero. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but only about 9% of the world's plastic actually gets recycled. The rest, it ends up in giant landfills or worse in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, a floating island of trash in the ocean that is now 3 times the size of France. Sea turtles mistake plastic bags for jellyfish. Birds fill their stomachs with bottle caps. When we use a plastic straw 5 minutes to drink a juice box, that straw stays in the ocean for 500 years. Does that seem like a trade? Okay, I know this sounds like a movie where the monster is winning, but we are the main characters of this story and we can change the ending. We don't need to be perfect, we just need to be smart. First, let us use the power of refusal. When shopkeeper offers a plastic bag, say no thanks. I brought my own. Second, look at your school bag. Do you have a plastic water bottle that you throw away every day? Swap it for a cool metal one. Not only does it keep your water colder, but you will save hundreds of plastic bottles a year. Third, talk to your parents. Tell them we don't need plastic wrapped oranges or 3 layers of plastic around a box of cookies. As kids, our voices are loud because we are the ones who will be living here in might be 2050 and 2080. The big finish, that is Earth. Earth is the only home we have got. It's beautiful, it's green, and it's full of life. It's not giant trash can. Reducing plastic is not just about saving a turtle or cleaning a beach. It's about making sure that when we grow up, we still have a clean world to share with our own children. So, next time you are about to reach for something disposable, remember, nothing, nothing is truly disposable. If the earth has to keep it forever, let's choose a planet over plastic. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon.